Alright folks, this is Amtrak 547 Capital Corridor train holding at the Oakland Coliseum station due to a trespassing incident near Hayward Station, so they waited on that to clear. Over there in front of me is Amtrak Coast Starlight Train number 14 going to Seattle. So this is Amtrak Coast Starlight number 14. Will go by the Oakland Coliseum station, P42 number 150 and P42 number 5. Here it comes. So this train will go by 547, full speed ahead. I'd like to get a shout out to Air Farm for the hairstyle. Excuse the people. So this is one crowded night here due to a concert at the A's game. Here comes the train. P42 number 150 and number 15 with the horn show. Alright, there go that train. That train is on its way to Seattle. Looks like he's slowing down. Looks like he's slowing down over there. Uh-oh. There it goes, folks. To Seattle. Emergency stop. Whoa. I'm Marcel Hall. This is getting interesting. Worst night for Amtrak this so far. Bye. Alright folks, this is Amtrak 14 going into reverse right now because he's not supposed to be on track number 3 because that's a UP on that track, I think. So they go to back the train up, so there it goes. So 14 is in the reverse, so they're going backwards to the junction, okay? This is one crazy Thursday night. He's supposed to be on that track. Alright folks, there go that train reversing to the junction down there. This is interesting, the reverse Starlight. And we're looking down on Amtrak 547. I feel sorry for those passengers on Amtrak 547. A long delay, so we'll be right back after these commercial break for the Coast Starlight. He's gonna be a little bit late. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, we are back here right now. The Coast Starlight is on the right track right now, in the middle track. So here we'll go by here. So 150 and number 15, the P42. Alright folks, they got that train on its way to Seattle. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Bye.